Russia, people treat animals badly like these, wind up in gulag, do hard labor in Siberia, live outside, see how they like it. Too bad this is not the mother Russia. So my typical hour-long drive takes forever at this speed. You can see what I'm managing to do now, but when it gets total whiteout, I gotta slow down. Hit a drift last night, about 3 miles from my house, coming back after work, and it was a big one. It was tall. It was probably, I don't know, 50 yards long, and it was sucking me toward the ditch, so I steered toward the center of the road. Wow, that's a bad one. And got on the gas, because slowing down sucked me in worse. I got on the gas and it was still sucking me toward the ditch. By the time I broke out of it, you can see the gravel there. My tires were right on the edge of that, almost to the grass. And that would have put me in the ditch and I'd have been done. 3 miles don't sound like much, but believe me, it was, what, 14, 16 below last night on my way home. And with the winds gusting like they are, that stuff can kill you before you make 3 miles. I'm not a spring chicken anymore, and even if I was, man, that's a life-threatening trek. Gotta wear work clothes. I got a decent coat, good hat, okay gloves. With the pants, I got long johns, but they're the polyester security, janky work pants that are hot in the summer and cold in the winter. Here's a question. Any of you people who run or manage a security company, why in the hell do you make your hardworking, underpaid people wear those ridiculous polyester, wannabe rent-a-cop looking bullcrap uniforms that'll get a shot in a convenience store on the way home if somebody decides to rob it? Huh? And why don't you provide something better than that? Right there, that is a spring and fall. Oh, big drift. Oh, another one. Wow, sucked me in the other lane. Woohoo, that was interesting. Wow, this is sucky. Make us wear these polyester bullshit uniforms. Buy us some good gear. You want us outside doing rounds in the winter? Well, buy us some gear, or allow us to wear our own. I have good gear. But they're like, no, you can't wear your gear. You have to wear the gear we supply to you. Blah, blah, blah. Work every holiday. Never get days off because you can't keep help. And then you wonder why you can't keep help. You don't pay us enough. And you expect us to drive long distances every day in life-threatening weather for your ridiculous, ungrateful selves. Shame on you. Anyway, I'm going to stop filming. This is, another big drift. This is getting hairy. I'm going to put the phone down. Have a good one. See you later. Bye.